At Bystronic UK, it's not just about selling machines. We have a holistic approach to all our customer care. We have maintenance packages and care packages to suit every need. We have 46 engineers currently, and they're in 8 regions. We're hoping by the end of the year we'll have 52 engineers, and with the intention of increasing that again in 2022. We endeavour for the same day, with best endeavours for the next day. We add value in many ways. An example of that is the 360 advisor. We analyse the machine's current problem, but we can also analyse any potential problems we may have with the machine. That's together with a maintenance package or care package that you may want to support that machine. We have a range of experienced engineers, up to and including over 30 years. For the new engineers that we take on board, we have a fast-track training programme, so within 6 months they're fully competent in the equipment they can work on. Every visit will come with a potential for the customer to give us feedback, whether that's positive or negative. So we listen to all our customer feedback, positive or negative. Any negative feedback we follow up with the customer for continuous improvement within our offerings. My ambition is to provide world-class service to our customers to go hand in hand with the quality of our machines.